has captured Captain Keyes and are holding him aboard one of their cruisers, the Truth and Reconciliation. The ship is currently holding position approximately 300 meters above the other end of this plateau.
So how do we get inside the ship if it's in the air? The Corps issued me a rifle, not wings.
There's a gravity lift that ferries troops and supplies between the ship and the surface. That's our ticket in.
Once we get inside the ship, I should be able to lock on to the tracking signal from Captain Keyes' neural implants.
Hit 'em, Marines! Go, go, go! The Corps ain't paying us by the hour!
Stick to the higher ground to the right. We should be able to recon the Covenant position without being spotted. I've detected Covenant stationary guns near the next pass. I recommend using your sniper rifle to take out the gunners while I call for Marine support.
Get ready to move in to support us, Sergeant. The Master Chief is going to covertly take out as many of the Covenant as he can. Don't open fire until you hear the enemy return fire on us. That should let us keep the element of surprise.
Alert! A Covenant is making a run for that stationary gun. Take him out!
Let 'em have it!
Stop. Motion tracker shows movement around the next bend.
We'll be ready to advance as soon as you call for us, Cortana.
Hey, we did it! We're right behind you, G!
Damn it!
I see him! Hold your fire! Nice shot!
Is it the best you can do?
Damn it, they're everywhere!
on the left should let us sneak up around them.
We'll hang back while you get into position, Chief.
Nice shot!
Cortana to Fire Team Charlie. The Chief has the left flank covered. Recommend you move up the middle. Alert! Covenant dropships are inbound. We're directly under the ship now. The Covenant use a gravity lift to move troops and supplies between the ship and the surface. We need to ambush them at the grav lift's loading zone and use the lift to enter the ship. Cortana to Echo 419, requesting reinforcements at our position.
Roger, Cortana. Echo 419 on approach.
Alert! Covenant dropships are inbound.
They won't mess with us again. Keep it up. Sorry. Hold your fire. My fault. Keep it up, people. Let me get that for you.
We've secured the area. Let's square away the grab lift. Marines, prepare for boarding action. Yes, sir!
Once we're inside the ship, I can home in on the captain's command neural interface. He'll probably be in or near the ship's brig, which should narrow our search.
We're in. I've got a good lock on the captain's CNI transponder. No Covenant defenses detected.
What? There's no Covenant here. Think maybe nobody's home. Contact! Lots of contact! No Covenant. You had to... Contact! Lots of contact! No Covenant. You had to open your mouth. I'm going in. Leave some for me! Bam! You're firing! See that? Next time I'll let you guys know. Frag out! Frag out! Blam! Keep it up! Way to go! Love and kisses for you! Don't worry, there'll be more. Get some. What the? Nice shot! Get up! Run! Ah! We showed him. Whoa! Is that all you got? Oh, I saw this one move.
We could use the side passages to find a way around.
Chief, let's see if we can find a way to open this door. Wait. That's the locked door down there. The Marines are waiting on the other side. The controls to open it must be somewhere in this room.
Y'all gonna die!
More here! No!
Cortana to Echo 419, requesting reinforcements at our position.
Bullhammer here, Cortana. I read you, but you're inside the Covenant ship. I'm not sure I can...
Lock on to my signal and approach fast and low. There's a shuttle bay on the ship's starboard side.
Roger, Cortana. Echo 419 on approach.
Cover me! Whoa! It is over! Cover fire! Look at him fly! Whoa! Smoke him if you got it! Don't you worry, there'll be more. Pick him up and lay him down, Marines! Let's go! Got him. Nailed him! Where'd he go? Oh. Keep it up! I'm hurt bad. We have wounded here. Don't bother getting up. Nice shot! Bastard! What the? Down on him. I see him. Hold your fire! Fire in the hole! Yeah. You have just pissed me off! Did you see that? Right on. Whoa!
We must be in the brig. These look like holding cells. There are probably multiple detention stations. The captain must be in one of them. We need to keep looking for him.
Coming here was reckless. You two know better than this. Thanks. Marines! Lock and load your weapons. Let's be ready to move.
Yes, sir.
While the Covenant had us locked up in here, I overheard the guards talking about this ring world. They call it Halo.
One moment, sir. Accessing the Covenant BattleNet. According to the data in their networks, the ring has some kind of deep religious significance. If I'm analyzing this correctly, they believe that Halo is some kind of weapon, one with vast, unimaginable power.
Then it's true. The Covenant kept saying that whoever controls Halo controls the fate of the universe.
Now I see. I have intercepted a number of messages about a Covenant search team scouting for a control room. I thought they were looking for the bridge of a cruiser that I damaged during the battle above the ring. But they must be looking for Halo's control room.
That's bad news. If Halo is a weapon, and the Covenant gain control of it, they'll use it against us and wipe out the entire human race. Chief, Cortana, I have a new mission for you. We need to beat the Covenant to Halo's control room. Marines, let's move!
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Chief, you have the point.
We should head back to the shuttle bay and call for evac.
What the? For me, huh? Please! Get out of the way! See? They're not so tough.
man! Found him. He's good and dead. Get up so I can kill you again! Down, over here. Boom, baby! Woohoo! Whoa! That was me, my bad. Get out of the way! They won't mess with us again.
We made it.
Cortana to Echo 419. We have the captain and need extraction on the double.
Negative, Cortana. I've been engaged by Covenant air patrols, and I'm having a tough time shaking them. You'll be better off finding your own ride. Sorry.
Acknowledged, Foehammer. Cortana out.
Air support is cut off, Captain. We need to hold here until she can move in.
Oh man, we're trapped in here! We're screwed! We're screwed, man!
Stow the belly aching, soldier. Remember, you're a leatherneck. Cortana, if you and the Chief can get us into one of those Covenant dropships, I can fly us out of here.
Yes, Captain. There's a Covenant dropship still docked.
Sorry. Right on. Let it out. Watch it. Watch it. Want some more? I'm going after him. I got you covered. Where'd it go? Lost contact. Find him. I got nothing.
No! Without the captain, Covenant have all.
I don't see him either. No, he's around here somewhere.
That's it. The dropship is loose.
Everybody, mount up. Let's get on board.
Give me a minute to interface with the ship's controls.
No need. I'll take this bird out myself.
Captain, hunters!
Hang on.
Nice one, sir.
Time for a little payback.